Welcome to our video today. I will tell you how to fix the frustrating we're having trouble making sure it's you error on PayPal. Here's what to do quickly and confidently. First, check whether you recently changed your password, phone number, or security settings. PayPal sometimes runs an automatic security check that can take 4 to 48 hours before letting you log in again. So sometimes, the best step is to just wait and try again later. In the meantime, disable any VPN or proxy, as PayPal often blocks access from unfamiliar IPs and that can prolong the issue. Also, verify your account details. Ensure the name, address, and phone number on your PayPal profile exactly match what your bank or mobile provider has on file. And enable a verified phone number if not already. If waiting and syncing your info doesn't help, you can try clearing your browser's cache or switching browsers, and then request a security check by text, call, or email through PayPal's login flow.